guys, so this is the vlog week number 3, guys. I'm still going. Y'all, it is currently 4:45 in the afternoon. I slept in because, you know, my son didn't want me to sleep, so we slept in, and I didn't do anything really much in the morning. It's been the same, but right now I need to run some errands because a girl's gonna be making funnel cakes today, because I told you in my last vlog that I was gonna make funnel cakes, but I didn't get the chance to. So I'm making funnel cakes and making a milkshake today, so it's gonna be a chill vlog, guys, and all that. Hey, I want you guys to comment below any type of videos you guys recommend for me to do and stuff, so I could do, because, you know, I want to grow my channel and I want this channel to be popping. So anything that you want me to do or stuff, so just comment below, guys, and I will do them. And then right now, guys, I'm going to be doing a notification shout out at the end of all my videos to give shout out to people that's engaging with my videos and stuff, and liking my video, and like turning their notification on so they always notified when my videos are out. They be the first ones. I'm going to be doing shout outs, so if you want a shout out, make sure you watch the full vlog, and all my other videos, watch full videos so you guys can get the shout out. Also, guys, I'm gonna be getting soon. I'm on a road to 2,000k subscribers, so when I hit the 2,000, guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to get into the giveaway, all you gotta do, guys, is subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and comment on videos that you like. So that's basically much, guys. So if you guys want to be in the giveaway and win stuff, you guys just gotta subscribe to my video, turn your notification on, and then follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be posting on that also too. So yeah, so right now my dad is jumping my car because my battery died, so I can run. I'm gonna go to Save-A-Lot and I'm gonna go get some Oreos, ice cream, powdered sugar, and then some other stuff I will need to make funnel cakes, guys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'll bring you guys along. My outfit, guys, is pretty simple. I just got let me show you. I got Adidas sports bra on. This top, I don't even know where it's from. It got no tag on there. My still prescription glasses. I took my earrings off last night. I have no jewelry on, but I got some pink leggings, you guys. And yeah, so that's the outfit for today. So yeah, guys, it feels so good outside. I think it's like 76 degrees outside, but I'm on a roll, guys, heading to Save-A-Lot. The sun is popping outside right now. The sun is popping. The sun is popping. So I will come back, guys, when I make it because I'm trying to drive safe. So I made it to Save-A-Lot, and all I need to do, guys, is find some Oreos. So need to find where these Oreos are at. They always got the non-brand Oreos. I don't want the non-brand Oreos. I want the real Oreos. I cannot find it. Like, they got, these are the not Oreos, but I think I'm gonna just take one of these. Alright, guys, so I am back from the store. I got this type of ice cream right here, cookies and cream. This was like $4. Jesus. And then I got this, some cherries. And then I had got some chocolate favorite syrup. And then also I had got these brands because they don't sell the other brand, I guess. But it's gonna work out, you guys. And then I got powdered sugar. So this is for the milkshake. And then I just forgot about the Ziploc bag. I just remember about the Ziploc bag. I was just so ready. I was so ready to get out of the store. Like, it was so much people. I was like, I need to get out. But for the funnel cake, we're gonna use pancake mix, and then we have all the other ingredients So yeah. When the cake time, when the cake time, when the cake time. I'm a savage. Hey, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting, stupid. What's that? Hey, what's that? Hey, I'm a savage. Hey. My baby like, mommy, what are you doing? He having his own time. All right, guys. So after making funnel cakes, the ingredients I'm using for funnel cakes, guys, is I'm gonna be using the buttermilk, the Morning Delight pancake mix. I just beat in some eggs up, one, and then milk. So, whoa, and I'm gonna add it in. So see, adding it in, and then the milk, I'm gonna get 1/3 and 1/4. This one's the 1/4 of milk. Put it in, and then the 1/3. Oops, the 1/3. Put it in. So I gotta get my thing. So yeah, it looks like this so far. So guys, this is what it's looking right now. Let me show you. It's looking real good. Aiden, where you going? Huh? Where are you going? He's literally walking back. Like, he needs to be going forward, not back. Come on, Papa. All right, guys. So it's looking really good. Yeah. Hi. A girl doing it. A girl doing it. So next, guys, after this batch is done, and then the other one, we're gonna start on a milkshake. So this is what it looks like. That look good. And then we got some cherries to put on top. Loving it, guys. Just loving it. Like, I'm about to just eat it all. And we have some extras, so we are set. Y'all, this heat. Oh my god. Let's try this for them, okay, y'all. Oh. Y'all, if y'all know the taste of funnel cake, woo! That being said, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I need to enjoy this in peace while watching Riverdale. And I will see you in my next vlog. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.